welcome. You are watching Beyond Breaking News, where the news is of the people, for the people, but by the youth. I am YJ Vinit and I will be your host for this bulletin. From local to national, from tech to entertainment, let's find out what's making news this week. But before we begin, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Visa changes for Australia as well. What are you doing for Environment Day? Now you can eat your water. And Disney goes live. With over 400 news and current affairs channels in our country alone, we get news 24/7 from our country and from all over the world. So, who are the headline grabbers this week? YJ Aishwarya brings us the details all the way from Australia.
The US announced changes to the H-1B visa which shook the whole world. Now Australia is following America's footsteps. Australia has recently announced that it would abolish the popular 457 work visa and it would be replaced by a new program to fight the rising unemployment rate. The Australian visa program is used mainly to hire foreign workers in IT, medical industries and restaurants, the majority of whom came from India, the UK and the China. Currently, there are over 95,000 foreign workers in Australia.
Getting eventual citizenship in Australia was a major attraction of the 457 visa. The existing 457 visa program was conducted for a period of 4 years but was open-ended and resulted in many cases in a migration outcome. The current 4-year 457 system is now being replaced by visas lasting for 2 or 4 years. For the shorter visa, more than 200 jobs will be removed from an existing list of about 650 eligible professions. The list for the longer 4-year visa will be even more strict. The applicants will need to be more proficient in English, undergo a criminal check, and be subject to labor market testing. Also, short-term visa will not result in permanent resident status for the worker. The new 4-year visa will also result in fewer permanent residents because of the eligibility changes.
Current 457 visa holders will not be affected by the changes, said the Australian Prime Minister. However, there is widespread confusion and discontent among the foreign workers in Australia. The condition all over the world seems to be anti-immigrant. On this note, this is YJ Aishwarya with camera person Anushka signing off for Beyond Breaking News.
Excellence in education and all-round development is the motto of Ryan Group of Schools. We Ryanites get quality education along with a host of co-curricular activities. But I think what most of us really enjoy is the Teen Social Service Camp. YJ Sanskruti brings us some glimpses of this year's fun and games.
Classroom learning alone does not meet the complete demands for today's youth. We all need to be well educated, smart, competent and ready to face each and every competition. Ryan Teen Social Service Camp serves a dual purpose of experiential learning through physical and mental abilities. Needless to say, we all Ryanites feel blessed in the class and out of the classroom that we get such a great opportunity to showcase our talents and to compete with our peers for a host of challenging games.
Students from across all the Ryan schools, north, east, west and south meet on the same platform, performing, playing sports, competing with each other, striving to make their school the best of the best.
You all must be wondering, what do the students think about it? Allow me to show you.
would you measure success?
Well, I feel really happy about it. It was the first experience I've had being at such a big stage.
आणि या सर्वांना एकत्र करून स्वराज्य निर्माण करतो तोच शिवाजी.
जय महाराष्ट्र.
I really realized that I need to do something great to be and stand a chance in this great competition.
Best camp ever I've attended in Riot. I feel very honored because I never expected this. I think it's all because of my performance that I delivered today.
And thank you so much, Ryan, for giving me such a great opportunity, and I loved it.
This camp will be a lifelong memory for me.
And I'm a proud Ryanite, and I say this to everyone. The icing on the cake is winning the most coveted prize, the Ryan Prince and Ryan Princess. But even more exciting than that is meeting up close and personal our mentors, Managing Director Ma'am and respected Ryan Sir. I can't wait for my turn to go to this wonderful camp. On this note, this is YJ Sanskriti with camera person Aishwarya signing off from Beyond Breaking News.
When does World Environment Day take place? What? You know? Great. Why does the world need to dedicate a day to environment? What? You know that too? Superb. We all know when and why we observe this day. Then why is there such little improvement? YJ Sudhansh and Yash bring us this story. Take a look.
Degradation,
depletion,
overpopulation,
pollution
are just the tip of iceberg called environment, and none of them are positive.
We students learn about it, write essays and slogans, make public service ads and spread awareness.
But we feel like we are fighting a losing battle. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year to reinforce the need to protect, conserve and replenish.
The United Nations theme in 2016 was Zero Tolerance for the Illegal Trade in Wildlife, and Connecting People to Nature is the theme for World Environment Day 2017. It implores us to get outdoors and into nature to appreciate its beauty and its importance.
Whose responsibility is to take care of the environment?
It is government's responsibility.
The citizens' responsibility to take care.
Government and citizens both.
What do you do to conserve the environment?
I will plant more trees as they absorb carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen.
We should segregate our garbage into wet and dry.
Create a compost heap in your garden or use a compost bin. This helps to recycle the food waste materials and other biodegradable materials.
To save energy, we should install solar panels.
Set up rainwater harvesting. We should use jute and paper bags instead of plastic bags because they are non-biodegradable.
We shall use water sprinkles and drip irrigation to conserve water.
We should use public transportation instead of personal vehicles to control air pollution.
5th June reminds us to protect the earth that we share. This year's themes invite you to think about how our lives depend on it.
So think, what could you do to conserve the environment, protect, replenish, conserve or even just help by spreading messages?
On this note, this is YJ Sudhansh
and this is YJ Yash with camera person Sanskriti signing off for
Beyond Breaking News.
With that, it's time for a short break. Don't go away because coming up is a story on technological innovation. Keep watching Beyond Breaking News.
No one deserves to die from the hands of another human being.
Whether it's a police officer or a regular civilian.
It makes me very afraid.
I feel I'm constantly being judged. I feel unsafe.
Insecure. Every time you read the newspaper, you read about a bomb blast taking innocent lives. Everybody is different, but we all have the right to be treated equally.
Hair, skin color,
ethnicity,
race and gender.
Any of these do not matter.
I believe everyone is equal and the difference within them should not be judged.
There is no reason to treat anyone differently.
We have the power to bring about a change.
I have a voice and we can come together as one.
Everything starts with you.
Unity.
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 Welcome back. Our next story takes you into the world of environment conservation and innovation, all rolled into one. You got that right, rolled into one. Smooth round ball. Confused? Don't be. Vijay Amatya tells us all about it. Watch and be amazed.
Research and development is as important as life. If we have to live, we have to keep changing constantly. And scientists all over the world go back to the drawing board to innovate to make our lives easier, better, smarter. And some scientists actually think about the world and how we can make that better.
An edible water bottle. A new gelatinous sphere called the Uhu contains one portion of water. And what is amazing is that there is no bottle or plastic container to mess up the environment. So what do you do with the gelatinous sphere? You can either eat it or put it in your compost bin because it is completely biodegradable. The spheres are created using jellification, a technique used in cooking to turn liquids into gel by adding an edible gelling agent. Each globule contains 250 ml of water, perfect for a one-time sip. The engineers are now trying to raise around 400,000 pounds so that they can bring their product to market. Research and development is the front end of the innovation life cycle, which may or may not end with commercialization. The spheres cost approximately less than a penny a unit to make. There is currently no retail price. The team hope to start selling their squishy spheres at music festivals and marathons within 12 months.
What an idea! Just think of the millions of crust bottles that harm the environment. Gone! No more plastic, no more degradation of the environment. We seriously hope that their innovation gets its funding cause we definitely want to try out the UHO O2. On this note, this is Vijay Amatya with camera person Yash signing off for Beyond Breaking News.
The last story of this bulletin takes you to the world of entertainment. And we all love cartoons, but Walt Disney is changing the trend. Vijay Manjot and Anushka tell us what Walt Disney Studios does to keep its audience hooked. Take a look.
Walt Disney is a name synonymous with entertainment.
One of the largest media networks, it has parks and resorts, studio entertainment, consumer products and interactive media.
But what all of us love about Disney are the movies, the amazing animations and the fantastic characters.
Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, Jungle Book, 101 Dalmatians, Alice in Wonderland.
You name it, they have made an amazing animation movie on it.
So Disney reversed the trend. It is making live action movies based on these very animations.
In 2017 saw Emma Watson star as Belle in the live-action makeover of Beauty and the Beast. The movie musical featured songs, both new and original, but that wasn't the first animation to live-action adaptation.
Alice in Wonderland was Disney's first live-action remake. It told Alice's story with an increased role for the Mad Hatter played by Johnny Depp. That was followed by Maleficent in 2014. Maleficent took an unconventional approach to adapting the 1959 Disney classic, which was based on Sleeping Beauty. The twist gave Maleficent something she didn't have in the original movie, a heart. The change of tone had the movie rake in over $240 million in theaters.
Cinderella in 2015 starred Lily James and Richard Madden. The biggest difference between the 1950s original and the remake was that this one wasn't a musical, but that didn't stop the movie from making $200 million at the box office.
The Jungle Book in 2016 made a whopping $364 million. Using CGI, the original songs, and a cute Mowgli, The Jungle Book became the most successful live-action reboot to date.
So what's next? Cruella de Vil, the Dalmatian fun-loving villain, is getting her own movie based on the classic 101 Dalmatians.
The movie will explain what made Cruella so cruel. After watching Maleficent, I really want to see the way this villain is portrayed.
This formula of animation to live action is making the big bucks and creating double the audience.
One that likes animation and other that likes live action. Which one do you like? This is Vijay Manjot.
And this is Vijay Anushka with camera person Sudhansh signing off for Beyond Breaking News.
On that note, we come to the end of this bulletin. This is Vijay Vineet signing off for Beyond Breaking News, where the news is of the people, for the people, but by the youth. Goodbye and take care.
To fight the rising unemployment rate, the Australians I'm saying continuously. On this note, this is Vijay Aishwarya with camera person Anushka. Sorry. On this note, this is Vijay Aishwarya with camera person Anushka. No. Let's say correct.
Three. Smile. 3 ऐसे स्माइल करता है बराबर स्माइल करता है 3 2 1 start.
And some scientists actually think about the world and how we can make the better. That better आखिरी word.
In the class and out of the classroom that we get such a great opportunity to showcase our talents
and
compete with RPS for host of challenging games.
Look at the camera.
Yes, miss.
But what all of us learn about Disney are the films and the amazing animations and the fantastic characters.
So Disney reversed the trend.
पूरा होने तो दे मेरा.
रुकेगी.
Make public service ads and spread awareness.
But we feel like we are बदरी की दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे बदरी की दुल्हनिया
पूरे उसमें तुमको आता है नहीं आता है नहीं गाना नहीं और किसको आता है चलो साथ में गाओ आता है चलो एक साथ सुनाओ 3 2 1 कौन सा वाला है बताओ
बस ऐसे ही गाना आता है बदरी की दुल्हनिया और तुम्हारा
हाँ तो सुनाओ कौन सा गाना आता है
मैं कभी अकेले नहीं गाता भैया है साथ में तो हम लोग गाते हैं
अरे कोई बात नहीं ऐसे ही सुना दे मैं भी सब कुछ कर दूँ
One of the largest media networks, it has parks and resorts, studio entertainment, consumer products, and media interactive. Oh, interactive media.
And media interactive. Okay, Manjot, just rehearse this slide. Show him slide start.
So what's next? Cruella de Vil, the Dalmatian fun-loving villain, is getting her own movie based on the classic 101.
101.
It's important for you to say 101.
Vijay Amatya tells all us